Hi everyone, I'm Greg with Riedel. Today I'm here with my good friend Lele.
Hi.
We're going to talk to you about our Simplylive live video production solutions. In particular, today we're going to talk about our all-in-one.
All-in-one is an easy-to-use and very intuitive application. It's based on a touchscreen experience. So our layout, as you can see, we have our program, our preview, and our live cameras. We can cut the cameras on program just touching below the red line. The green line sends the camera on preview, so we can easily create a program cutting the cameras. We have also a replay area. With the touch screen, we can browse the content, select our replay, or we can use Shuttle Express to browse the content. When we want to run our replay, we just touch the red. We have an automated wipe, and then the replay runs at the predefined speed. We can adjust the speed with the virtual T-bar. We can do sequences of replays, just changing the camera, changing the cue point, and then touching the new cameras. And then when we're ready to go back to live, we just touch live camera and we are back live. We can also manage graphics. We can have up to 3 layers of graphics. Graphics are NDI only or static TGLA or PNG graphics. Again, red line, green line to send the graphics on program, and remove the graphics from program. Right? Layer 2, same.
What about if you have pre-existing content and you want to play some other clips or content that you have in the system?
We have our database manager here. As you can see, we have graphics, so where we manage all the graphics that we can import. We have queues, so the system automatically save a cue point every time you run a replay. And then we have our clip manager, where we can add imported clip from an external drive and saved clips. So to save a clip, again, is very easy. So we just browse our content, we mark an in point, then we go forward looking for our out point, and save. The new clip is already available in our database. So we can recall a clip, browsing the clip. Okay, we want this clip, put it on preview. Now to roll this clip, we just touch the preview and the clip goes on program at the same speed of the program.
Oh, Lele, that was very impressive. You talked to us about how easy it is to switch the cameras. We saw how you were keying graphics, even able to make replays and clips. What can you do with the clips? Can we build playlists and do some highlights?
Of course. So we have a playlist button over here. So I can select playlist, put clips on my top of the screen. I can just select an empty playlist. I can do a multiple selection of clips and add all the clips in my playlist. Then I can edit the playlist. I can select the clip and say delete. So the clips deleted are stored on a bank over here. So I can select an element of my playlist, select the elements that I've deleted, and insert in my playlist all together, 2 elements at the same time. It's very clever usage of the playlist editor.
Great. So I also see some other buttons here. What are those used for?
Those buttons are for the audio monitoring. So you see they follow the same color code of program, preview, and cameras. So red is for program, green is for preview, and blue is for cameras. So I can select which channel I want to hear to, and with a long press or right click of the mouse, I can also change the audio track embedded with that same channel. So even the audio is very clever, very intuitive.
Lele, thank you for the great overview. And thank you for watching. For more information, please check out our website.